Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to go over another basic algorithm scripting challenge from FreeCodeCamp. This time the challenge is significantly simple, so I'm thankful for that. The challenge is called repeat a string, repeat a string. And basically all we have to do is repeat a string that's passed into our function a certain number of times. We're given the number of times as an argument in our function, and we're also given the string. So if we go over to the code, I already have the solution typed out, but it is fairly simple. So we just have our function here, repeat string num times. It takes in two arguments, the string and the number of times. And if we go down here, we can see that the function is being called and we're passed in a string and a number for the number of times we want to repeat it. So all we have to do is figure out some logic of how we can, first of all, repeat the string within the number of times that's passed in. Thankfully, the number of times will be held in a variable, num, and we can somehow use that variable to return our string a certain number of times. And I was looking for some solutions when I was researching, and I came up with a JavaScript function that is called repeat, and it literally does exactly what we want it to do. We just pass in a number as an argument, and it will repeat the string that is called upon a certain number of times, and that number of times is the number we passed in. So it's simple, and all we have to do really is return our string using the repeat function, and we can just pass in the variable num, which will hold our number of times. But we have to also make sure that we handle this last condition here, which is if the number is not a positive number, we need to return an empty string. And that's basically just a condition, and we can do that using an if statement. So if the number is less than or equal to -0, we just want to return an empty string. And that's just a basic condition here. -0 would be basically handling anything that's not a positive number. So that'll work perfectly. And if we go ahead and run that, it is raising the roof. Alright, so thanks for stopping by. This was a pretty simple challenge, thankfully. This video is literally less than 3 minutes, which is awesome. If you have any questions, though, feel free to comment and I'll get back to you. But thanks for watching. Have a great day and subscribe.